Alright, first thing I'm gonna do is take this air cleaner off. Get that out of the way. I check my history on my purchases. Yeah, look at this vacuum hose; it's all cracked up. I'm gonna have to change that. Yeah, I checked the history on my purchases. Um, these are Walker wires, but the cap is the same exact one, the professional. I thought I bought the cheaper one, but I didn't. So this cap is going to be the same. The wires are different. The wires are professional. These ones are AC Delco, but these ones right here are Walkers. So that's the difference on that. But and it's a good thing that these have the numbers on it, so you don't mess up the firing order. That's a good thing. Just keep those where it's supposed to be. Take the cap off. I can do the cap later. I guess I'm just gonna run these wires one at a time. The one that I think I messed up is this first one because it's really, what is this? I wrote it right here. 2, 4, 6, 8 on this side. 2's in the front, 8 is in the back. I should really go online and check that firing order. I should before I put this back together. But that's the way it was, so. Take that one off. So that's number 2. Number 2 is right here. It says number 2 right there. Take that off. Just want to do them one at a time so you don't mess up the firing order. But let me go online real quick and check the firing order and make sure that's right before I even put this back together. Okay, so I just checked and the firing order is right. This is how it is on my car. Like that. So everything's right, that's good. So let me get back to ripping this apart. I forgot to get the knife or something to cut this with. Let me see what I got in the trunk. Alright, this is the best I can do for right now, real quick. Cut that and it works. So this is number 2. This is the number 6. So number 2 right here, what I'm gonna do is match up the lengths with the new one. Some grease. I'm gonna match up the length of this with the new ones and pick the one that's the same size. Alright, so I found the one that's about the same size. What I'm gonna do is throw the old one away, put it to the side, put it connected to number 2 over here. I heard the click. Damn, I need to change this hose. It's cracked all the way down. But anyway, gonna run it through here where it was before, where this spark plug wire holder thing is at, the bracket, or whatever you want to call it. Tuck it under here and put it on the spark plug down there. That's the number 2. Pretty sure I'm gonna change these spark plugs too, but I just wanted to change these for right now to see if that shaking was gonna go away. This one is difficult to get to because the smog pump is right in the way. It's really no space, but I felt it go on, so it should be good. Alright, so I go to the next one, which is number 4. Pull that off. Take it off right here. Number 4. So I'm gonna match that up with the new wires and get the same length like I did last time. Alright, that's about the same length right there. I'm gonna toss the old one out of the way. Put it on. Put it on number 4. It made the clicking noise. Tuck it under here. Tuck it under here. And put it on the spark plug. Alright, that's on. Now the next one is number 6. The one that's all the way in the back too. There's really no space back there either. But gotta get it done. This is number 6. Pull that out of there. Match it up. I don't think these wires are supposed to be. They're not even that old. Look at that. I'm gonna match it up. I'm just matching it up to see which one is the same length. It looks like this one right here. This is number 6. Put it on and make the click. Tuck it. And you want to keep these away from the exhaust, because you don't want anything from the exhaust burning the wire, or you have a misfire. You have a misfire and a burnt wire. This one's kind of tricky to put on too. It's the angle. I'm not trying to mess these wires up. That's probably what I did last time, pulling them on and off. Who knows? Probably just had a bad wire. This one's not feeling right when I'm putting it on. I don't feel that click. Alright, it feels like it's on there. Let me take that back one out. What's that? Number 8. So number 8 is right here. Gonna match that up. I'm gonna inspect these wires too when I'm done. See if they have any cracks or in them or whatever, but mesh this up real quick. Alright, got that. Where are we on? Number 8. So number 8 is right here. Heard the click, felt the click. This one's real tricky to get to too, because it's way in the back. It's hard to get it pushed on right, but gotta get it done. would be nice if my damn pants would stay up too. Some jogging pants. This damn angle. Alright, I just felt and heard the click, so that's good. So this side's done. Gotta go to the other side now. Grab the wires so I don't have to walk way over there. Put them right here. Move this camera. Good. Goes the mail lady. Where the hell's my rotor at? She went flying by. She need to slow her ass down. Alright, stop this side. You see right here, 1357, 1357. That's the firing order. Get rid of this box. I'm gonna start from the back. So this should be number 7. This has number 7 right there. I want a 350 Chevy so bad. That's gonna, hopefully that's gonna be the next thing. This 307 has no power. It runs good. I got that shake, that's about it. I had no problems with it. Since I had the car almost a year now. So I'm gonna match these wires up. Should be the shortest one. Alright, got that. Toss these. The old one. Put it at number 8. I just noticed something about these new wires. The tips doesn't have this thing that sticks up through there, you see? So this thing is not going to work on these new wires. I thought those were the factory wires for this car too, but I guess not because it doesn't have that thing that sticks up. Alright, so I'm on number 8. In the back. This side is not that hard to get to, but the other side was bad. Alright, that's the one. Let's take the next one before it. Got these clamp things. I need my screwdriver. Screwdriver was right there. Take this thing off. That was there. So I'm on number 5. Toss that old one, put the new one on. Get to tucking these. put it on the wire, make sure it makes the click. Alright, that one's on. Number 3. Got one of these clamp things again. Number 3 over there. Match it up. This one. Get rid of the old one. So what is this? Number 3. Click. Tuck. Alright, that's good. Take the last one off, number 1. Take it out of here. Garbage. Click, tuck, alright, that one's on, so now I'm gonna mess with the I'm gonna change the cap over now. I don't know why this one is gray and that one's black, but said it was professional. So I need that screwdriver. Gotta push these tabs down. There's 4 of them. Push down and turn. Since I know the fire in order, I don't even have to, I have to take it off anyway. But I could just transfer it like this. Stretching them, pulling on them, try to be as delicate as possible. good. I gotta unplug the old distributor cap. So I'm gonna do that right now. There's 2 plugs on that. Now this whole thing will come out. And what I'm gonna have to do next is I'm gonna have to take this off the cover and get the ignition coil out of there. So let me grab the socket for that real quick out of the trunk, and I'll be right back. Alright, I found that. It's a 1/4 inch. Alright, I was just making sure you guys can still see what I'm doing. Because last time I couldn't see nothing because my tripod was broken. Just gonna take these 2 off. Make sure I don't lose them. Take this off. Take all 4 of these off. This is the ignition coil. I changed this too. Last time I did this. I need to take everything out. Gonna push the wires out. So the red goes in the back. That's the way I got it right there. I gotta remember that. In case the wires get tangled up or something. Red goes in the back. So I'm just pushing those out. So red in the back. Well, before I do that, I have to put this ground in there. It's pissing me off. Oh shit. Yeah, I was supposed to show you that too. I seen a problem. I'm gonna put it in the new one. Let me see if I can find it. This is the button that goes down there, and look at it. It's all flat. It's not supposed to be like that. This thing is definitely worn. I seen it when I looked in there. You see how worn? You got dust in there. I don't know. I think there was something wrong. Something wrong with something, because the new one, even the new one is rounded at the end, and this one's flat. Like it wore it off or something. So I think there was definitely something wrong. That's probably why the car was running like that. But we'll find out when I put it back together. Alright, so the ground is in there. Push it down, make sure it's all the way in. right? It wasn't, but it is now. I'm gonna put the new button in there, or whatever they call this thing, I don't know. So it just, you see how it's rounded? The other one was flat. It was definitely worn, and it's not even that old. Drop it down in there.
Oh, shit.
How you doing?
I think there's some coffee. Look at this.
Doing up so early.
Huh?
How you doing up so early?
No, so you have to get up to fucking go to CPS and shit.
Now, look at this button. Where the hell is it at? Look how worn this button was. Flat. That's probably where my car was.
I wasn't touching nothing.
Just making this video, that's it. The rotor will be here hopefully today. It says out for delivery.
Let the emblem come out.
Oh, it's in the front seat. Go check it out. Just tighten this back down. Put the ground back. Red wires in the back. Like I said earlier, everything's pushed down. I'm going to tighten everything up now. Yeah, the reason why it came off last time is because I didn't put glue on the last one that I melted.
Yeah.
So it came off. That's why. So I glued both of them this time. Kid, I was sweating my ass off in the kitchen last night. I'm telling you,
the oven and shit.
the oven was on probably 3 hours messing with that.
I think it looks better this time. I don't see any air bubbles enough.
Last time, because when I stuck it down with the glue, it got on my fingers and it got on the red. That's why. I just seen the mail lady go flying by. I don't know where she's going. My damn rotor.
She's bringing it back. Cannot deliver.
I need to finish this shit.
Cannot deliver.
Yeah, undeliverable. Now, knowing my luck, it would be that way too. Alright, so that's all together. I'm going to put the cap back on. I noticed something about these new things. They don't have sparkler wires. The shit used to go in there, but these ones are flat. They don't go in there no more. But who cares? I think that, I don't know, maybe it was that thing that I showed you worn out.
Yeah.
Or maybe it was, the wires look all tight. They look like hard, and who knows? I just want this shit running right. I want my damn pieces too, so I can put the skull back together. He told me to call him. He told me to call him Wednesday. I told him, I said, man, I can't keep coming up here. This shit is far. But
the pieces.
I really, oh shit, not the screw. Got it. Yeah, I left that thing in the freezer last night. that in because I was like, I'm going to sleep, man. So I'm sitting in that damn waiting for that. I'm telling you, it was like 3 hours, maybe more. I haven't even had this car a year yet, and I'm already doing this over again. Yeah, but I'm just waiting. Even that thing's black. I'm just waiting for the new Rotor to come in the mail, and I'll swap that out. And that's it. I'm done. Put the air cleaner back on, and I can't put this on because it doesn't lock anymore. But I can still put it on. It will still hold it down because it has the it's better than nothing. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the Rotor to come. I'll show you guys how to put that in. It's only two screws, and that comes out. I'm all done.
The mic.
All right, the ignition rotor finally came in. AC Delco like everything else. It's only two bolts. Easy to do. Take the old one out. I ended up I locked this down because it has the locks right here, so it did work for those cap and spark plug wires. Right now what I'm gonna do is I don't know if you can see it. I might have to change the angle of the camera. Should be better. Just gonna take these two off. This thing is really dirty. I'm gonna show you as soon as I get it off. At least now it's not as cold as it was earlier. I'm trying to get this thing started so I can take a ride. Yeah, this thing was really dirty. You see the dust just came out of that thing. This is, I don't even know how many months I had this on, but it's almost new, so it shouldn't even, I don't think it should be that dirty, but it looks like the same exact one as this one. I don't know, but I'm putting it on anyway. There's only one way this can go on because it has the notch right here, and there's a notch on the distributor, so there's only one way this thing can go on. It's like, you probably could put it on wrong, but You don't want to go crazy with tightening it either. You don't want to break the screw or bolt, whatever it is. You don't want to break the plastic either. Alright, that's good. Both sides are tight. Now I'm going to put this cap back on. You're just gonna have to play with it until it locks down. Right there, it's locked down. So I know that's the spot where it's supposed to be. So just turn these and lock these things. Want to make sure they're locked in right. Do the other side now. Alright, it's all locked in. It's not going anywhere. I see this wire has a little crack on it. I don't know what's up with that. But I didn't do it. Hopefully it's not a problem. That is cylinder number 2. Now I gotta, all I got left to do is put those plugs, those 2 plugs back in. The big one goes in, the big one goes in the back. Heard it click, and this pink one goes into where it says battery right here on the top. That's it. Now I just got to put the air cleaner back on and start it up. The air cleaner's in the trunk. I'm going to grab it right now. Get this hose, but I'm not doing that right now. Make sure your air cleaner is clean as possible. I should wipe this down with a rag while I have it off. Just grab some brake cleaner. I'm gonna spray because even the carburetor looks dirty. gonna clean up in here too. Wipe it down. Wipe it down with a rag real quick. Get some of that dirt out of here, that loose dirt. Alright, that's done. Put this on. Put this on. This hose goes right. Oh, I forgot to put this one on the bottom. Hook this up. Hook this hose up. Put this hose on back here. This one, this aluminum one, with this one, everything's done now. Let's grab the filter. Put the filter in there. I'm gonna spray and wipe this down, the cover. Sprayed that down and all the paint came off. Alright, so I'm going to start it up now, and hopefully it starts and runs better than it did. Let's see. Yeah, the reason why it's running like that is because I sprayed the cob with brake cleaner, but that will go away soon. It started right up. I haven't started this car all day, and it's been here since yesterday, so it started right up. Maybe because of the cob cleaner, I didn't have to press the gas or anything. Usually got to press the gas about 3 times, but it started right up. It's starting to run better. I'm not too sure about that spark plug that I put in there. Cut a little bit. Hopefully that shaking goes away, but I'm done with the job, so I can do that. Yeah, I just rechecked and I found out why it was running bad when I just started it up, because I switched up the wires for 1 and 7. So 1 was on 7, 1 was on 7, 7 was on 1. So, and I forgot to tell you guys, you gotta make sure the wires are not hitting the exhaust, because I told you that before, and at the beginning of the video, you don't want your wires to get burnt up on the exhaust. So wire tie them. Use those plastic, these things right here, these plastic things. Use those, but do not let them get on your exhaust because they will burn, and then you'll be buying more wires and your car will run like shit until you get new wires. But I'm gonna put this all back together and hopefully it runs right this time. And that wire right there has a crack in it. I hope that doesn't do nothing. I hope that doesn't cause an issue, but yeah, make sure all your wires are not touching the exhaust because you don't want those to burn up. Alright, now that I changed the wires to the way they're supposed to be, it's running way better, it's not shaking. I'm shaking a little bit, but the car's still cold. It's good for now, I think. Checking that out. That's because when I did the valve cover gas, I cried on it. And I thought it was the pulley. It wasn't the pulley. It's the thing that the pulley mounts to that I bent. So I'm not really worried about that because I want to get rid of that smog pump anyway. But it's running the way it's supposed to right now. Another thing I just seen when I was down here is this. You see the water on there? That's the thermostat housing, that whole thing, that metal thing, and those bolts back there. So I was just talking about doing a, coolant flush. So yeah, I'm gonna tighten this up for right now, but I'm gonna be doing a coolant flush really soon.